Hi guys, welcome back to the Alpha channel. Today's video is going to be another smashing one because a lot of you, the solution to your problem is in your house. It's not even on my channel. Like, a lot of you are looking for money, you need extra money, but you have a lot of money lying down at home doing nothing. What do I mean? Some people have extra phones, extra gadgets. They have a lot of things they bought in the past that they are not going to use. They might never use those things, and those things are occupying space. You know, these items, you can actually sell them off and collect money, like good money from selling them off. You don't need to go put them on the street or put them in front of your house. You can just codedly sell your items online and make money. I buy a lot of stuff online from people that want to sell stuff that they have. Maybe they used to have a camera and they bought a new camera, they want to sell their old camera. I'll just go on and I'll buy it. There are platforms you can actually do these kind of things, right? So what I'll be showing you in today's video is how you can set up your profile, set up your account in platforms that you can sell things online easily. All you just need to do is to snap a picture of that stuff, post it on the platform. The person that wants to buy will see the picture of that thing you're advertising, and you're not paying any money for any advertisement. The person will call you and be like, hey bro, this and this, I saw your camera, I want to buy it. You guys will negotiate price, or you can even chat over it. Then the both of you will meet somewhere and boom, you sell, you collect your money absolutely for free. There are many platforms that this kind of things happen. So I'm going to go into my computer screen and I'll show you the platforms how you can begin to make money selling extra stuff in your house. One. Number two, there's a very important warning in this video. Please make sure you try as much as possible when it comes to buying phones or second-hand phones and that kind of thing. You are extremely careful. I don't want to hear that you will not say it was when I was watching Alpha's channel on YouTube that he said something and I bought a phone and I did not know it was a stolen phone. There are a lot of people stealing people's phone in Nigeria today, and you know, people are kidnapping people, killing people, taking their phones. If you mistakenly buy a stolen phone, you enter police problem. Me, I used to like second-hand phone before, but lately I've told myself if I cannot afford a brand new phone, I'm not interested, right? So the point is you need to be careful out there. Make sure what you are buying, there's a receipt, there's proof, and you know, it is safe. Don't get carried away by the cheap price, because a lot of cheap things are there. The point I'm making is make sure you keep yourself safe. Let's head over to my computer screen. Let me show you step by step how you can begin to sell this extra load, extra stuff that you don't want to do giveaway with online. Abi? Alright guys, so the first platform that I'll be showing you guys is a very good platform. I use this platform all the time. In fact, I have an account on this platform. I have sold stuff on this platform. I've bought stuff on this platform. The name of this platform is called gigi.ng, jiji.ng. If you have heard of gigi.ng or you have used gigi.ng, leave a comment in the comment section. For those of you that don't know what gigi.ng is, gigi is a platform where people sell things. Everything you want to sell, you can sell it on gigi.ng. In as much as I'm recording this on my computer screen, you can actually check your mobile device. Go on Google Play Store, search for Gigi app, you will get it. Go to gigi.ng on your mobile phone. You still see the platform there. You can see the things you can sell on gigi.ng. You can sell vehicles, properties, mobile phones, electronics, home furniture, health and beauty, fashion, sport. You can even get people to do freelance activities for you. You can sell baby stuff, you can sell animal and pet things, you can sell agricultural stuff, equipment, all around the nation, that is in the whole of Nigeria. Look at it, you can find anything in the whole of Nigeria. You can even change your location to the place you are, maybe Lagos. If you want the stuff to show you the products or the stuffs in Lagos, you can actually change your location to Lagos. Gigi.ng is a platform I personally enjoy. For you to upload a product on Gigi, the first thing you need to do is you need to create an account. I got a ring light recently and I actually got that ring light from Gigi. So this is my profile account. You can see my picture here to tell you that I actually use Gigi very well, right? If I go on to even check my messages, you will see that I have people that I've interacted with. I've asked them questions concerning their products. I've bought some, like stuff like that. When I wanted to get a mouse, it was on Gigi. My ring light, it was still on Gigi. You know, I go on this platform, I get things. If I go on even to the point of getting a laptop, I actually got this laptop from this guy. So my point is I buy things on this platform, and you can actually go on to sell things on this platform. So for you to create an account, let me log out. So now I've logged out. For you to create an account on Gigi, the first thing you need to do is, once you come to this official dashboard, you will see registration. You're going to click on registration. There are different ways to register. You can register with your Google, you can register with your Facebook, or you can register with your email address. So if you have a Google account, a Gmail account, you can just click on Google and register. You understand? So it's not difficult. If you don't have a Google or a Facebook, you can just come here and register
with your email address. You put your email address, you put your password, you put your first name, you put your last name, you put your phone number, and that is all. You create an account. But since I already have an account, I'm just going to sign into my Gigi. If I click on sign in, it's going to show me to sign in. So I'm going to use Google. So as I was saying, now I have signed in on my Gigi account. Right now, let's say I want to sell a product. Once you sign in like this, all you need to do is to click on sell. You can do this on your mobile phone. When you click on sell, you're going to write about the product. So if probably the product I want to sell maybe is a laptop, I'll just come to category. I'll search for the category the product falls into. So if it is a laptop, you scroll down and find electronics, something like this. You click on this and you can write laptop. If it is a audio music equipment, you write it. If it's a chair, you find the category, look at it, laptop and computers, under electronics. So you can find the category the item is. There are a lot of stuff. Once you just find the category it is, let's say I'm using a laptop as example, I'll just come to laptop and computers. I click here. Then the next thing I'm going to do is I'll select my location. Maybe I want people that I live in Lagos or whatever, and I want people around Lagos. I'll just come here and I'll search for Lagos. Right, when you come to Lagos, the next thing is you're going to select the local government in Lagos. Let's say my local government is Ojota. I click on Ojota, then you add the picture. So you snap the picture of that item and you upload it. You just upload the picture. Once you upload the picture, you can now click on next and you will submit it. They'll check the advert, they'll approve it, and that is it. You are going to put information about the product you want to sell and it will be uploaded, and before you know what is going on, your advert will be out there and people can now start seeing your adverts now. So as you can see here, you can see various laptops that people are putting for adverts. Most of these laptops are used laptops, they are not brand new laptop. Look at this laptop. This person is selling for 320k. This one is like 190k. This one is 35,000 naira. So when you post your advert, your laptop will show you. People that are scrolling are going to see the laptop and they can now begin to send you message if they want to get any of this laptop. And this is a place where people come to buy stuff every day, daily. So if I want to get a laptop here, depending on my budget and all, because I want this video to also show you how you can sell and people that want to buy, how they can buy in Nigeria. Look at it. This place has over 47,762 results for laptops in Nigeria. So there are a lot of people posting laptops here, and people coming here to find gadgets to buy are more than this. We have millions of people using Gigi. Now if I come here and I want to buy a laptop, maybe my money is not enough, I have a particular amount of money, I can come to this place here and begin to filter what I want. If the laptop is probably, I want an HP laptop, you can see the different types of laptop here: HP, Dell, Apple, Lenovo. I select the one I want. If I want to get a very okay RAM, maybe 16 gig, 8 gig, 4 gig, I select here the storage capacity, every information about the laptop, I put it here. And that is how you can go on to sell your product, and people looking for your product can buy your product. Apart from laptop, there are a lot of stuff in the Gigi marketplace. I'm going to show you. If you come to the Gigi marketplace, you scroll down, you see this is trending advert, ring light. And the reason they are showing me a lot of ring light is because recently I was looking for ring light to buy. I searched for ring light, so they are giving me stuff based on the things I buy all the time on their laptop. Solar power bank, laptops. If you come to health and beauty for women, that you have stuff you want to sell like clothes, baby stuff, they are all in this platform. So the first platform is Gigi. Look at this. This is like beauty products. Look at this. What do you call it? The standing hair dryer. Both new ones and second hand. You will get it on this platform, right? The next platform I'll talk about is also a platform that is similar to Gigi. The platform is a platform I've bought a lot of stuff from. The name of the platform is olist. I think it's olist.ng. olist.ng. If you are watching this video, make sure you stay to the end, because the third platform is the one that everybody are on that platform, but they don't even know that they can use that platform to sell stuff. So this is olist.ng. I'm just going to zoom in a little. Let me make it 100%, right? Good. Now olist.ng is similar to Gigi.com. The same way Gigi works is the way olist works. I will not spend too much time explaining a lot of stuff here. Like, look at people and the stuff they want to sell. This person wants to sell a Motorola phone, this person wants to sell a wristwatch, this person wants to sell a phone, this person wants to sell a house. So I think this house is for sale. If you come here, you look at different products: cars, house, phones, vehicles, jobs, electronics, fashion, home keys, services. When you click on them, you're going to see different products under each category. So if you want to sell cars, you click on olist, just upload the car. Look at it. You can upload your car and somebody that wants to buy the car will come up and buy the car. It's as simple as that. I have an account on olist.com too. Should I log in? maybe yes. Since I log in on GG, let me log in with my account. I think my account is with my Google. Alright, so right now I've logged into my olist.com. Now you can see that my picture is showing here, my profile and all. If I want to start selling product, all I need to do is to click on start selling. The process is almost similar to GG. When you want to start selling, you're going to click the category of the advert you want to post, and this is absolutely free. I'm not paying money for this platform. Let's say I want to sell a phone. The last one I used laptop. Let's say I want to sell a phone. All I need to do is just click on phone, right? And when I click on the phone, they are going to ask which category. Is it mobile phone? Is it tablet? Is this accessories? I'll click on maybe mobile phone. When I click on mobile phone, I have to post the picture, write the title of the phone. If the phone is maybe an iPhone 11 Pro Max, I can just write iPhone 11 Pro Max, right? The title iPhone 11 Pro Max, the brand name. I can come here and I'll click on, they will give me various brand category. I'll click on iPhone, right? Then after the brand name, they're going to bring the condition. I'm going to answer whether the phone is brand new, fairly used, stuff like that, every information concerning the phone. Then I'll go on to write the description. Description is just to write something about this phone. I can write something like, this phone is a phone I've been using for something like, this phone is a phone I've been using, is a phone I have used for like maybe 6 months, used for 6 months, and it is working perfect, something like that, and it is working perfect. They can write something like, the price is slightly negotiable, the price is slightly negotiable, and you just go on to submit it. When you finish everything, you're going to post the ad. You select your region. If it's Lagos, you click on Lagos. If your phone number will be there, the place in Lagos, let's say it is, I use Ojota as my previous example, so let's look for Ojota here. Anyway, let's use Maryland. Then you click on post advert. The advert will show on the Olist page. That way you can begin to sell all these products you have in your house that are not using. And if you come to this official Olist page, you can go on to buy products. If you are looking for things to buy, you can buy it from this Olist. The third platform is a platform everybody are on. It is called Facebook. Facebook.com. I'll show you how it works. Now, Facebook has a feature that is called the Facebook Marketplace. From time to time, I'll be teaching you guys how to make crazy amount of money on Facebook Marketplace. If you want to learn it, just leave a comment so that I'll begin to make that video on how you can make money on Facebook Marketplace, right? So when you open your official Facebook website or Facebook homepage, this is my Facebook home. Now if you look at this place on Facebook here, this place, this thing that looks like a house, it is a marketplace. If you click on it, your Facebook is going to open you to a market where people are selling stuff and where you can buy stuff. So now I've clicked on my Facebook Marketplace. You will see a lot of product that people are selling. This person wants to sell an inverter, this one is selling t-shirt, this one is selling Airtel Wi-Fi, this person is selling a music box. People are selling things that they are no longer using. This person wants to sell this car for 900,000 naira, you know, and different stuff here. So all you need to do on Facebook Marketplace is, when you come here, you want to sell, right? You will just come to this place. Now you come to look at, in this side of the market, you can see buying and selling. So if you click on selling, it's going to show you the product you have posted before. Look at this stuff I have sold on Facebook Marketplace. I posted this one, I sold it. I've even sold PDF books. I have sold this kind of plate. I'm going to teach you guys things on how you can import stuff from abroad and sell it on Facebook Marketplace. Look at this stuff, I've actually sold them on Facebook Marketplace. So to tell you that I make money doing these things. Now if you want to post maybe an item in your house you want to sell, if you snap the picture, just come to create new listing. When you come to selling, you click on create new listing. When you click on create new listing, you're going to select what you want to sell. Either it is an item, a vehicle, or a property. So let's say I want to sell an item. I'll click on item. Now you're going to fill the information concerning the item. Look at this here. You're going to add the photo of the item. After adding the photo, you're going to write the title. Let's say what I want to sell is an iPhone. I can write something like iPhone 13 Pro Max, right? Look at this. As I'm writing the iPhone 13 Pro Max, it is showing here. Then the price, let's say I want to sell it for 195,000 naira. I'm just saying though, you see. So I'm putting the information. Then the category, I can select the category the phone belongs to. I'll click here and I'll select phone. Just scroll down, you will see phone, mobile phones. This is it. Then the condition. Is it a brand new, is it used one? Let's say it is used. So if you are selling things in your house, you can use used good or used fair depending on how you have used it. Compatible, I can put probably iPhone 11, you know. Then every other information, you just go on to fill them. You can select the color. If I start filling all this information, you know, it's going to take time. This description is similar to what I wrote on this old list where I said I've used this phone for a period of time and the price is slightly negotiable, blah blah blah. You can just write the description, whether the phone has a crack, the phone is working perfect, the phone has any issue, you let them know in this description. You can list it as a single item or list as stock. So you can list as a single item. You list as stock when the stuff you want to sell is more than one and you have a lot of those products, right? And you can just put your location, Lagos. If you don't want your friends to see your advert, you hide your advert from your friends, and when you finish all this stuff, you click on submit. Once you click on submit, your advert will go live. And in the same vein, you can buy stuff from Facebook Marketplace. I would leave this page now. I'll go on to teach you guys how to do that maybe in another video, but basically these 3 ways are ways you can sell stuff that you have in your house and make extra money. First and foremost, you can sell on GG. Secondly, you can sell on O-List. Thirdly, you can sell on Facebook Marketplace. There are other platforms that you can also sell on, but these ones are the ones I'll be explaining to you guys in this video. If you want me to give you guys more update, let me know in the comment section.
If you find this video interesting and helpful, please make sure you like my video, leave a comment, hit the subscribe button, share the video, turn my bell post notification on. We are on our way to 10,000. Did I just say 10,000 subscribers? 100K, 100,000 subscribers. I love you guys.